Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to show you how to create a stunning portfolio web app using Streamlit. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my future videos. Before we dive into code, let me show you the final result. Here is my portfolio website. Let me open it. So it is opening.
I am Python developer. I write code with a coffee in hand. Lines of logic I command. From loops and functions to APIs. Debugging errors, oh what a ride. Automate the boring, I'm on the rise. Data crunching, watch it analyze. Backend magic, smooth and clean. Building dreams from
As you can see, it is clean and professional looking portfolio that showcases my skills, my personal information, my contact information, my career objectives, my education, certifications, skills, key points, technical skills, achievements and hobbies and date. This portfolio includes everything, and I have created this portfolio using Streamlit. So I will share you how to create a portfolio website using a Streamlit. First, Streamlit is an open source Python library that makes it easy to create and share beautiful custom web apps for machine learning and data science. It is perfect for creating interactive dashboards and web applications with minimal efforts. Basically Streamlit is used to showcase data analysis. Most of the times everyone is using to show data analysis. You can see here most of the time we can show here our graphs which will interact your real-time data. So basically everyone is using Streamlit to showcase data analysis or data on the web app, which we can use there real-time data also. So let's dive to the coding side. So we are using here a PyCharm to create our portfolio website. So here I am created one .py file. If you don't have a PyCharm, just download it through a JetBrains web app. So first we need here a Streamlit to run the code. We are going to install Streamlit on our PyCharm. So here it is, we install Streamlit. Okay, it's running. It shows the requirement already satisfied. Okay, then let's create a portfolio.py file. First we are going to import Streamlit. Here it is as st. Though this imports a Streamlit library which we are going to use to create our web app. Then we are also going to showcase the date. Here you can see we have imported a date which is exactly the today's date. So we are going to use a date time module to showcase the date which is exactly today. So from date time, here it is, import date. Then we also need to show our picture or photo, we can say that this photo. So to show this photo on a Streamlit platform, we are going to use a library. It's called PIL. So from PIL we are going to import image. So it will basically show image on a web app clearly. Okay, let's start then. Then next we set the page title and the icon for our web app. Okay, let's use st.set page config. Here it is. Then we are going to use a page title, page underscore title, is equal to full. Let's see, page icon is equal to going to use here. Okay, okay, let's use this. Okay, here we are created a page title and a page icon. Then let me create a two column section to showcase our this section. We are going to show this name section in one column and image section in a second column. So showcase this, we are going to create two columns. First is a column 1 and second one is column 2. Okay, let it use with this. Let it use with the Streamlit st.columns. st.columns. We are going to adjust the width of the column. For the first section, I'm going to give it to 75 section of the our web app, and for the photo section, I will giving only 25% of the section. Okay, let's then as I said you, we are going to create two columns. In one column 1, I'm going to add stars portfolio section. In a column 2, I'm going to add my profile picture. Okay, let's add that. In column 1, we are going to add my, with column 1, we are going to add my title section, or we can say page title. Okay, we are going to use st.markdown. So basically we are using st.markdown to write a section where, but we can use st.write also, but we are using here st.markdown because it will also support a CSS and HTML section also. So we are going to here add some CSS for our title. For that I'm using this st.markdown. Okay, let me add here my header section in the h1 tab. So you are going to know, you already know that why we are using h1 tag. Okay, so I'm adding here this section, this markdown, and I'm going to close it. Okay, that's it. So as I said, we are going to add here HTML CSS in this tag. So let me add here some styling to my, okay, let me add here some styling to my title. First I will add some font family, so I'm using here Arial and sans serif. Okay, and color also. For color I'm using 2B 7B BA. Okay, so it will help us provide, it will help us to provide a CSS to our title page. Okay, let me create one with, let me create our second column, column 2 here, column 2. Oh, so I have already told you that I am going to add here image. For that I have already imported a PIL library, and that I am using a image. So image dot open. So we are going to open my image, my dot png. So basically my dot png is my profile pictures name. Okay, st dot image, where we are going to add some width, height to our image width 120. Caption will be, so basically we are using caption here if our image is not shown on a web page, so it will show that text instead of my image. Okay, Sutar. Okay, that's it. And okay, so here I have given two columns and divided into three fours. My column 1 is having the 75% of the section, and my column 2 is having the 25% of the section. So for column 2 I'm writing here use container. Okay, use container width is equal to true, so that will use the container section here. Okay, let me check it will run right now or not run. For a run a Streamlit, we are going to use a Streamlit run and our py file name, so basically here our py file name is portfolio.py. Okay, let's see. We'll showcase something. Okay, it is showing that it did not find my.png. Okay, let me add here my.png. Here it is, my.png. We copied here. We are going in PyCharm and paste it here. Okay, my.png. Okay, let me see, it has added. Okay, here it is, my.png. So I have already used one of online method and converted my photo in a circular section, so it will show perfectly on a web app. So okay, let me check it one more now. Control C. We are going to run the same command and streamlit.py. Now it will find, and it is showing that okay, ignore this for now, but it is showing that the same image structure that we are going to see here. Okay, let's continue with the code. Okay, as I told you earlier, we can use write also, we can use markdown also, but after the completion of this coding section, we are also going to add some HTML CSS to our web app. So I'm going to write most of the code using st.markdown. Okay, here I'm going to write this section. Let me show you this one. Okay, so I'm going to write this section with using the st.markdown. Okay, let me st.markdown. Okay, st.markdown is equal to, so after the easy, sorry, st.markdown. Okay, okay, so basically when we are writing a paragraph or a long term text section in a Python, we are going to write it in a triple quote. We are writing here hello. So it's okay. I am let me add here. I am star star. Okay, let me close it. Okay, it has already been closed, and let's see what it show on our Streamlit. Okay, here it is. Okay, let me copy. Okay, basically we are using a double quote here double quote for to show our word in a bold section. So here I have missed here. So when we add here control save, then let's see here. After I going to refresh it, okay, here it is. It will show the hello word and propulsor word in a bold section. Okay, let me copy it and paste everything in that triple quote, so we will get a result faster. Okay, that control save, then we are going here, refresh. Okay, that's it. Here it is. I think we have done with our most of the critical part. That adding your image here, it is the most critical part here, I can say that. Okay, let me add the other sections also, then we can see. Okay, for now, to add this contact dot information, we are going to use st dot subheader. So basically we are using with our main title Praful Sutar's portfolio. Here we are used st dot title, which will having the extra large section. We use it st dot subheader. Okay, here it is subheader, and I'm going to add the subheader is contact information. Contact, sorry, correct it. Contact information. Okay, contact, sorry, still okay, contact information. And below that I'm using the same st dot markdown, copy, paste, and okay, here it's okay. So as I told you earlier, why we are using st dot markdown. So whenever we are using st dot markdown, it will help us to write something in HTML section also, or we are using here CSS also. So we are using here a div command, and inside that we are using the class is equal to contact icons. Okay, contact icons. Okay, let me close it. Okay, here it is, div class contact icons. Okay, and let me add here some p tags. P tag to show our regular data. That is we are using phone here in star. So basically you have already known that why we are using double star. So plus 91 and adding 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, let me see this, it will show that or not on the way back to here. We are closing our debug, and as I told you earlier, we are going to use here unsafe underscore allow underscore HTML tab is equal to true. So it will show our data perfectly on a web app. Okay, let me see after the running this web app. Okay. It is showing that we are having okay. Invalid syntax, perhaps you forget a comma. I have forget some comma. Okay, here. Okay. We run it again, and here it is. This is the phone section and everything. Okay, let me copy the same. Okay. Let me correct everything. Here I did not close the p tag. I will close here a p tag. Sorry. I'm going to copy this Control C, Control V, Control V, and we are going to replace here our email section. Here, and our location section will be here. Don't worry about the icons and other things. I will provide you a Git library from where you are going to easily copy this all the code, and by easily replacing your data you are going to get the same result also. Okay, let me see. After running this it will show what it. Okay, I think it now. Okay, perfectly running on the web app. Okay, done it. Let's forget this section. After we add CSS and HTML, it will going to show exactly same like this section. Okay, then next, moving forward, our personal information, career objective, education, certifications and ID skill, key projects, technical skills, achievements, and with the hobbies. I think you are going to get idea here how we are going to add every section. Okay, I think let me add this section first, then you will get a perfect idea how to add this. You already know that how to add this paragraph like structure, and you also know that how to add this horizontal section. And let me show you how to add, how you are going to add this point or bullet points. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, we are using here again subheader and markdown section to create our personal information area. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, we don't want this information area. Okay, let me copy this, add here, add a space. Okay, let me add here first father's name, father's name. Okay, we have already known that why we are using double star to bold our letter. Then my father name is Sutar. Okay, let me check it. Okay, okay, well, let it check what it show now. Web app, here it is. We are going to see. Okay, we are add here successfully a dot, that is okay. Exact. Let me add the other sections also. We are going to copy it here, copy, bold the section, enter, paste, select, select and tab, tab. Okay, let me add star, double star here, double star, space, I think still star, Control V, Control V. Okay, double star to this side. Language section, language section, and the passport available. Yes. Okay. Done something. Streamlit run portfolio. Here it is. It has been completed then. Okay, let me add all the section and come back later. Okay, I will add the career objective, education section, certification section, ID skills, I think okay, key projects, technical skills, achievements, and hobbies area. Okay, I'll add here up to achievement section, and then we will add hobbies and date section with you. Okay, let me add that. Okay, I have added everything. Let me show you first from the first page. Oh, here we are imported some libraries. Here we created our title page icon. Then we create column 1 and column 2 section there where we are uh, make a part of our web app of in a 3 and a 1 section, or 75% we are giving it to the our proposals, our portfolio area, and 1% to our image section. Then we have created here our contact information. We for to create as contact information we are using subheader section, and below that we are using html.markdown. Inside that we are using a html like code where we are using a div to and given it a contents.icons, and inside that we are add our phone, email, or location section. You can add anything that you want, right? Then on below onwards we are using the same structured code where we are using st.subheader and st.markdown. So basically we are using double star to bold our letters. Same again, if we for career objective we are using subheader and markdown. For education section we are again using subheader.markdown. Certification section, IT skill section, key projects. Okay, here we are using 1 and 2 numbers to show our numbers exactly numbers on a web app. Then same with the technical skills, same with the achievements. Okay, let me run it first and see what we are going to see on a web app. So after Streamlit run, okay, let me close all the previous tabs. See, we have added pictures here. We have added our first introduction, then our contact information, then our sorry, I have missed here some word. Let me change it. Okay, contact information, personal information. Okay, let me add it and update it. Okay, here it is, contact information and personal information. Okay, save. Then sorry, refresh. Okay, here it is, contact information, personal information, then career objective, education, certifications, data this individualization with the essential, then IT skills, then key objects, sorry, key projects, then technical skills, achievements. Okay, then I think we have left with the 2 sections here. One is the hobbies section and last one is the date section. Okay, let me see how we are going to create that also. So basically we are again using the same libraries to create our hobbies section and our date section. So first we'll see how we are going to add our hobbies section. For the same for this process, and we are going to use in same section. We're going to copy it. Then here we are writing hobbies. Okay, then we are going to remove this. Okay, so as I told you earlier, we are using again here markdown to add the code in a HTML like structure. So again we are using here div. Inside that I'm going to use the style to give some CSS. We are going to use display as a flex. Then we are going to add some gap here with the 20 pixel each. Then align items, we are going to align items align items as center, then flex wrap as a wrap, flex wrap as a wrap. Okay, I think we have done with the div. I'm going to close here div, and inside that div we are let me correct this. Inside that div we are going to write our every code as we write here. So basically whatever the CSS we have implemented, in that div, it will automatically apply on this whole p tags with paragraph tags. Okay, let me add one by one. So okay, again we are going to create one div. So I'm going to close it again first. Div, sorry. Then inside that div, I'm going to create one p tag. Sorry, paragraph tag. Then we are going to close it. Paragraph tag. Inside that, we are going to write what we are going to add there. Okay. So basically, first we can add here some style font to our text. Okay. First, we are going to add here a style. Sorry, let me correct this. Style. For style, we are going to use font size as a 24 pixel. That's it for the styling. And let me add here one icon. I think camera. Okay, here it is. So I'm having a hobbies of photography. You can add whatever you like to add. We are going to save it. We are going to run it again. And let me see what we are going to get here. Okay, here it is hobby and it shows like this. Okay, I think we have to create some CSS for this to correct this. Okay, let me create it first and then we'll see how we are going to correct this. I have write here all the sections: photography, music, writing, reading. In the same manner, we have copied this all this in there. Okay, lastly we are left with our date section. Okay, we have already imported a library, that is datetime import date. Okay, we are going to use it as the same like this. Okay, let me copy this section, copy and add here. Okay, here it is, copy. Okay, we are going to replace this key points, nothing, we want nothing here. Okay, inside this section. Okay, let me add first date with the star, date double star, so it will bold the letter. Then we are going to write date with the today. So this is the command which will show the current date to the footer. And we are going to close our curly braces. Sorry, how to, okay, we are going to close it in curly braces. Control save. Let me see. Control C. Run Streamlit, run portfolio.py. Okay, run. Okay, hobbies. It will be completed. Date with the today's date. Okay, we have to fix this and we have to fix this. And this, I think this is fixed with the code. I think I have missed something. Here we have to write F keyword to save. Then let me see what it show. Okay, that's it. Here we get the date section. Okay, F as a same Python format section, dot format, or we are using a string to showcase the date with the date today. Okay, let me see first. I think we are getting error here. Okay, this section. Okay, let me check. Okay, first we are going to add here some CSS to our web page. So then after that we are going to see that what is the error we are going to get here. So let me add some CSS here, then we see. So st dot markdown. Okay, on a same again triple quote. Okay, again I'm using here f string, enter. Okay, enter. Okay, let's add CSS. First we are going to add CSS to our title page. So to add a CSS to our title, dot title, as you are using, if you are using a CSS, you know we are basically using dot section. So after using a dot, that section name or that style section name or columns class name, we are going to add successfully a CSS to that section. For a title, we are going to use a font family. Here we are going to write in a double. To write CSS, here we are using a curly braces. Inside that, first we are going to add font family, sorry, font dash family is equal to Arial, and then Arial. If Arial is not available, it going to use sans serif. Sorry. Okay. Color which we are going to use is blue color. I have taken this from Google. You can copy paste this to B7B B A. Okay.
Okay, here we done three changes in our code. We have to check every font family. Here I have to add dash after every font family. Then the second change here we have done first here we
Mistake.
done some mistakes, so we corrected here. And then this is the third mistake we have done here. Then we update here unset underscore allow underscore HTML is equal to true. After that, we are going to get a perfect result on a web page.
Okay, here is the final look of the web app. I think we have done our 90% of the work. Here we can see our date, hobbies, achievements, technical skill with the icons, education, contact information, pictures, and everything. And there you have it, a beautiful and functional portfolio web app built using Streamlit. You can customize it further by adding some more sections for changing and the style as per your performance. To deploy our app on a Streamlit, if you don't know about how to deploy an app on a Streamlit, first go to the Streamlit section. This is the Streamlit web app. After when you log into your page, or let me show you my profile. Okay, here is my profile where you are going to add your projects or everything that you need to know. Let me open this app using Anna. Okay, let me open this using another. Here it is, Streamlit. Okay, whenever you are going here, you have to sign in or sign up. When you sign in or sign up your page, then you will be redirected to this page, your home page. Basically the home page, where we get everything that we have created here. To create app, we get a section here, a create app. When we click on a create app, we can deploy a public app using a GitHub. We can deploy app from template by using Snowflake also. But here we are using GitHub library to deploy our public app. Okay, inside that we are seeing this section. But before that, we go to our library at a GitHub. First we go to the GitHub library. Okay, here is my GitHub library. Then we'll add some repository, give it a name, portfolio, and add some description. Same, Control V, add readme file, and then click on a create repository. When you create a repository, then go to your repo, and here it is my portfolio repo. After that, we are going to add files, upload files. Then we are going to section it here, and here I'm using this library. Oh, so by using this, we can directly drag and drop our files here also. Let me drag and drop. Oh, where it? Okay, it's portfolio here. Sorry, give me one. Portfolio. Okay, here's added. My png dot. Okay, these two files are added here. Then when we are going to commit the changes, and we are going to see these two files here. I have click on cancel because I have already have these files on my Streamlit web app. Oh, sorry, on a GitHub repo. Then we head towards the deployment section. Okay, first we also need a requirement.txt if you are going to use a different library. Here I'm only using a Streamlit library and inbuilt Python libraries. Actually, it is a part of Streamlit is a part of a Python library, so it has already installed a Python Streamlit, so we don't need here to install any requirement.txt. If when you are going to use a pandas library to display data analysis reports or graphs or plots, you have to add here requirement.txt. Okay, then to deploy app on a Streamlit, we are going to click on here. There we are going to see all our libraries that we are all our repo that we are already created on our GitHub. So we have already know that I'm having a repo with the portfolio name, then branch name is always main here, then our py file name, that is portfolio.py, then URL. Here you are going to see or add whatever the URL you want to add, but after that you are going to get a streamlit.py, a fixed domain name. So we can add here anything, portfolio, your name, then no space. Okay, it is available. So when we click deploy, we'll redirect to this page and we are going to see these commands. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy coding. Thank you.